So we're actually starting the mural.
Well, initially, my thoughts about having a mural in Priory Court, I was a little bit scared as to what type of image it would promote. I was still thinking, what's it going to look like? When I saw the team and the artists assembled, they were very meticulous in their approach. And I looked at them and I thought, wow, this is art. This is going to be something special.
I've lived in Priory Court for about 13 years, and speaking to the older generation, I've noticed that they keep talking about the willow tree, and that's why there's a beautiful willow tree right there in the centre.
I like the tree, the flowers and the fox and the goose.
I really like the picture in the picture and that it's very colourful.
I think the animated effect is so clever. I have no idea how you've done that, but it makes everyone smile. It's genius.
It has lifted up Priory Court now. It's lifted up the whole community. Everybody feels positive. It has added to the quality of life.